Hello, in this video we're gonna check if OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite has a dual card SIM slot. So in order to do this, let's check our website because there should be some information there. So here's basic information about this device. Now let's scroll down and dual SIM, it has it. Now let's try taking out the SIM card slot. Is located right here. I'm gonna take a needle, which is provided with this phone inside its box. Now let's take it out like this. Here's a card slot, and it has dual SIM slot because there's one here and the second right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.